welcome back to Simple Software Tips. Today we're going to be going over how to fade a background within PicMonkey. So I am currently within PicMonkey and I am going to be creating a YouTube thumbnail, but I want it to have like a picture and kind of fade in the background, how I like to do for most of my thumbnails on another channel. So I'm just going to be showing you that process. Let's go ahead and choose a color. Blue is great. I can also go down to my brand color for this, so then I can use this later. So now we're here. I'm going to go ahead and grab a stock photo. Computers work great because, simple software and tips. I'm just going to stretch this out. It's going to look weird, but the finished product is not going to look that weird. So now that that's stretched out to be the full width of the page, let's go ahead and fade. So we are going to go down and fade it. There are different, fade modes that you can do if you want to like totally goof it out or whatever. I'm just going to keep this as normal, and then I'm going to increase the fade here until I feel like it's a good range. I feel like this is probably a good range where now I can go ahead and grab some text and just write random tutorial there. And of course, I'll want to change up the different things that I want to put there, but I can go ahead and add like a shadow and outline to make it look a lot better. So there you go. There is a random tutorial on how to fade the background within PicMonkey. I hope that you found this helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like. Subscribe. I'd love to have you join the family here. Comment if you have any questions. Check out the blog at simplesoftwaretips.com, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.